Every day, more AI models hit the market. And if you don't want to fall behind, you need to know how to use the strongest ones. The problem is that over time, you end up collecting different tools, models, and prompt systems. And eventually, you don't even know what's best for each task, what prompt to use, or whether the model you're relying on is still actually competitive. You waste time hopping between tabs, testing the same idea 5 different ways, and still wondering if you picked the right one. To fix that, today I'm showing you a tool that simplifies everything. It doesn't just give you free unlimited access to a model that, according to the rankings, sits among the most powerful in the world. It also includes 40 plus ready-to-use templates for real everyday tasks. Think of it like a shortcut library that turns messy ideas into clean outputs in seconds. No saving prompts, no memorizing frameworks, wasting time tweaking every single request. And it also has an image generator that, with the trick I'm about to show you, you can use without limits too. So you're not stuck with daily limits or one more credit screens. You can generate, iterate, and refine until it looks right. The model is called Ernie 5.0. If you look at the current rankings, it doesn't just compete directly with the best models on the market. In some areas, it even beats them. Overall, it ranks very high globally, both for text tasks and for more advanced capabilities like reasoning and structured problem solving. You have 2 ways to use it for free. The first is through LM. If you go to the site, open direct chat, you can access a huge number of models for free without limits, including Ernie 5.0. On top of that, Arena lets you check rankings by category, text, image, reasoning, and more. It's a perfect way to know which model is best for each type of task instead of guessing. But for this specific model, there's an even better option using Ernie's official website directly. You just register however you want and you'll unlock a lot more features, not just the basic chat. This is where things get really interesting. For example, by selecting the model and writing a detailed prompt, you can create full games, apps, or complete websites. The process is super simple. Copy the code the AI gives you, paste it into a notepad file, save it, change the extension from .txt to HTML, open it in any browser, and you're done. Now your program is running. It can be an idea organizer app, a tiny video game, or a website to present your projects. No installs, no advanced coding knowledge, nothing complicated. Just prompt, copy, paste, and launch. Of course, it's also a text and image model, so you can ask it for anything: explanations, summaries, content generation, ideas, code, whatever you need. But where it really separates itself is the template system. With these templates, you can solve complex tasks with a single click. You don't have to think about the best prompt for each situation anymore. You don't have to remember long structures or keep a doc called My Best Prompts. Everything is organized by real-world tasks, and it's built to save you time. You simply go to the category you need, pick a template, and it automatically copies a professional prompt that's already prepared. You just fill in the blue fields with your specific info. You can even upload files, documents, screenshots, or images to give it more context and get better results, especially when the task depends on details. The first template I recommend is in-depth writing. This one is perfect for creating content from scratch in a serious, structured way. It's not just write me something, it's you defining exactly what you want. A report, a plan, a marketing article, a script, a blog post. When you fill in the blue field with the type of content and then define the real topic, the AI understands it needs to deliver an intro, a main body, and a clean ending with a professional structure. It's great for scripts, long articles, video descriptions, or work documents where clarity matters. Then there's rewrite for when your content already exists, but you don't like how it sounds. You paste your text, and in the blue field, you define how you want it transformed. Shorter, more natural, more direct, more professional, more dynamic. It's perfect for polishing text without changing the original message. Instead of rewriting everything from zero, you let the AI refine it and tighten the rhythm. Next is expand, which is the opposite. You have a solid text, but it's too short. You paste it and you tell it what to add. More depth, more examples, more clarity, or a stronger explanation. The AI doesn't change the topic, it simply develops it better. This is ideal for scripts that feel thin, product descriptions that need detail, or blog posts that need more substance. In the promotion section, you've got ads, posters, PR. Here you define what you're promoting and the style of the ad for YouTube, social media, short, aggressive, elegant, hook-driven with a clear call to action. The template is already optimized for marketing, so the AI responds directly in an ad format without you having to explain how an advertisement works. Then we move into the information analysis templates. With paper summary, you upload a long document and define what you want to extract. A summary, key ideas, conclusions. It's perfect for papers, technical PDFs, or anything you don't want to read end to end. Meeting minutes compilation turns messy meeting notes into a clean summary. What was discussed, what was decided, and what action items came out. It works for teams, but it's also amazing for personal organization when you want a fast recap you can actually use. Ray evaluation lets you compare resumes based on your own criteria. You define what you're looking for, and the AI organizes the information so you can decide faster. Data organization is for cleaning up scattered data, stats, reports, studies, comparisons. The AI groups everything, structures it, and presents it clearly. Perfect for analysis, comparison videos, or your own research. And now comes another one of the most powerful parts, image generation. You can create images from scratch, but you can also edit existing images. Upload an image, and you can ask it to remove objects, swap specific elements, or change just one part without touching the rest, all using natural language. This is huge for thumbnails, product images, backgrounds, or quick visual concepts. And just like with text, you get templates for logos, landscapes, anime styles, cinematic backgrounds, clean illustrations, or full style changes. You don't need to learn complicated prompt writing. The template already has the right structure. You just fill in the blue parts with what you want. The main idea behind this whole system is that AI stops being something you have to wrestle with every time you use it. No memorizing prompts, no saving endless lists of instructions, no overthinking which model is best for what. Here, everything is organized around real tasks. Writing, rewriting, expanding, promoting, analyzing documents, organizing data, and creating or editing images.